Whether you're taking a weekend getaway or embarking on an adventure, the right handbag can make all the difference. When you are traveling, it is important to have a good bag to carry all of your belongings. There are many different types of bags to choose from, but not all of them are ideal for travel. Here are 5 of the best bags for travel in Europe. Number 1 is the laptop messenger bag. This type of bag designed to hold a laptop and other items such as a charger, documents, and pens. Laptop messenger bags are often used by business people, students, and travelers. These bags can be made from a variety of materials, but leather is a popular choice for its durability and stylish appearance. Leather laptop messenger bags are the perfect travel companion for the modern professional. They are stylish and sophisticated, yet durable and practical. With plenty of room for a laptop, charger, and other essentials, they make it easy to stay connected and productive on the go. Whether you're headed to the office or catching a flight, a leather laptop messenger bag will help you get there in style. Number 2 is CarryOn Travel Duffel Bag. This travel bag is perfect for your next adventure. The CarryOn bag for travel duffel bag, large sports tote gym bag, and travel bag is made of sturdy and durable materials that can withstand the elements and keep your belongings safe. This bag also features a comfortable shoulder strap and a convenient side handle so you can easily carry it with you wherever you go. Packing for a trip can be a daunting task, especially if you are unsure of what kind of bag to bring. This CarryOn bag is the perfect solution for those who want to travel light and have everything they need in one bag. Number 3 is Travel Duffel Bag Missnine Canvas Sport Duffel Weekender Bag. This duffel bag is a necessity for anyone who loves to travel. The Missnine Canvas Sport Duffel Weekender Bag is the perfect option for those looking for a stylish and functional bag. This duffel features a spacious main compartment, a separate shoe compartment, and a comfortable shoulder strap for easy carrying. It's also available in a variety of colors, so you can find the perfect one to match your style. Number 4 is WNDF Foldable Travel Duffel Bag for Spirit Airlines CarryOn bag is perfect for those who are always on the go. It is spacious and has compartments for everything you need, yet it is still small enough to be considered a carry-on. It has so many colors and it is perfect for summer travel. This is one of the most popular airlines among travelers. They offer low fares and a variety of flight options to their destinations. One of the most popular things about Spirit Airlines is their carry-on bag policy. You are allowed to bring a personal item and a carry-on bag on board with you. The personal item must be small enough to fit under the seat in front of you. The carry-on bag must be able to fit in the overhead bin. Our last choice is Teiging women's or men's travel duffel bag. A duffel bag is perfect for those who are constantly on the go and need an extra bag to store their belongings. Duffel bags come in a variety of sizes and styles, so finding one to fit your needs should be easy. Whether you're looking for a travel duffel bag, sport tote, or gym bag, this guide will help you find the perfect one. With so many different types and styles of bags out there, how do you choose? If you're looking for a versatile bag that can be used for a variety of purposes, then look no further than the duffel bag. I hope you are enjoying our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and give us a thumbs up. If you have any question, let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.